Ready to feel strong today? Come work out with me. Hello everyone, welcome to the session. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more. Commit to this 20-minute daily workout. Let's begin. Start with a wide-legged squat. Hello everyone, welcome back. Grab your dumbbells and let's start this quick workout together. First, make sure your grip feels comfortable and your body is ready to move. This session is simple and effective, so follow along with me. Stretch your arms up high and prepare your muscles for movement. Stay focused, stay positive, and let's begin. Start with squats. Lower down slowly and push back up. Keep your hips back and hold your position with control. Now step one leg back and lower into a lunge. Move slowly and stay balanced during each repetition. Take a short breath. You're doing great. Keep your elbows close and move with control. Press the weights up and stay strong. Hold for a moment at the top. Lower the weights slowly and safely. Keep your back straight and lift with control. Use your legs slightly and press upward. Hold your plank and keep your core engaged. Twist left and right with full control. Workout complete. Great job, and I'll see you next time.